Hello, aspiring entrepreneurs and construction enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a journey to explore the lucrative world of brick-making business right here in Africa. From selecting the right machinery to crafting quality bricks and implementing effective marketing strategies, we'll cover everything you need to know to start a successful brick-making business. Let's lay down the foundation. Don't forget to contact me if you need help buying machines for your business. Check my number on this video description. Let's begin with the cornerstone of your business, the production process. Crafting high-quality bricks requires precision and the right equipment. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Material selection. Start by sourcing high-quality raw materials such as clay, soil, or fly ash. Choose materials that are locally available and suitable for brickmaking to minimize costs and environmental impact. Mixing and molding. Once you've gathered your materials, it's time to mix them thoroughly to create the brick mixture. Invest in a reliable brick-making machine that can efficiently mix and mold the mixture into uniform bricks. Drying and curing. After molding, allow the bricks to dry and cure properly to strengthen their structure. Consider building a dedicated drying area or investing in a brick kiln for faster and more efficient curing. Packaging and transport. Once cured, package your bricks securely and arrange for transportation to your customers or construction sites. Invest in sturdy packaging materials to protect the bricks during transit. Now, let's talk about the machinery and equipment needed to scale up your brick-making operation. Investing in the right tools can significantly increase your productivity and profitability. Here's what you'll need. Brick-making machine. Invest in a reliable brick-making machine that suits your production needs. Choose between manual, semi-automatic, or fully automatic models depending on your budget and production volume. Mixer and agitator. A high-quality mixer and agitator are essential for thoroughly mixing your brick-making materials. Look for models with adjustable speed settings and durable construction for long-term reliability. Brick kiln. If you're producing fired clay bricks, consider investing in a brick kiln for curing and firing your bricks. Choose a kiln with efficient heating and ventilation systems to ensure uniform curing and optimal brick quality. With your production process and equipment in place, it's time to lay the groundwork for your marketing strategy. Here are some effective strategies to consider. Local networking. Build relationships with local construction companies, contractors, and builders to establish a steady customer base. Attend industry events, trade shows, and networking events to showcase your products and services. Online presence. Create a professional website and social media profiles to showcase your brick products and reach a wider audience. Share engaging content such as project updates, customer testimonials, and educational resources to attract potential customers. Community engagement. Get involved in community projects and initiatives to raise awareness of your brick-making business. Sponsor local events, participate in charity drives, and collaborate with community organizations to build trust and goodwill. Keys to starting a successful construction business that will make you more money. From understanding the booming market to practical tips for launching your venture, we've got you covered. First things first, let's talk about why the construction business in Africa is booming. The continent is experiencing rapid urbanization, population growth, and infrastructure development, creating a high demand for construction services. From residential housing to commercial complexes and infrastructure projects, the opportunities are endless. Now that we've established the fertile ground, let's discuss how you can capitalize on this booming market by starting your own construction business. Here's a step-by-step guide. Market research. Begin by conducting thorough market research to identify potential opportunities and niches within the construction sector. Analyze market trends, competition, and customer needs to inform your business strategy. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your company's mission, goals, target market, services offered, and financial projections. A well-crafted business plan will serve as a roadmap for your business and help attract investors and financing. Legal and regulatory compliance. Familiarize yourself with the legal and regulatory requirements for starting a construction business in your country or region. Obtain necessary licenses, permits, and insurance to operate legally and protect your business. The construction sector in Africa offers immense opportunities for entrepreneurs willing to seize them. With the right strategy, dedication, and commitment to quality, you can build a successful business that not only makes money, but also contributes to the development and growth of your community. Now that you're equipped with the foundational knowledge, let's explore practical tips for making more money in the construction business. Specialize. Consider specializing in a specific niche within the construction sector, such as residential, commercial, or industrial construction. By focusing your expertise, you can differentiate your business and attract high-paying clients. Quality over quantity. Prioritize quality craftsmanship and attention to detail in your projects. Satisfied clients are more likely to recommend your services and provide repeat business, ultimately boosting your profitability. Efficiency and innovation. Embrace technology and innovation to streamline your construction processes and reduce costs. Explore modern construction techniques, materials, and equipment that can improve efficiency and productivity on the job site. Let's hear from a successful entrepreneur who has built a thriving construction business in Africa. When I started my construction business, I focused on delivering exceptional quality and exceeding client expectations. By consistently delivering on our promises and investing in our team's skills and expertise, we've grown our business and reputation in the industry. As you can see, success in the construction business in Africa is attainable with the right mindset, strategy, and dedication to excellence. By leveraging the booming market, crafting a solid business plan, and delivering quality service, you can build a lucrative business that makes more money and leaves a lasting impact on your community. The construction industry in Africa is experiencing unprecedented growth, driven by urbanization, population expansion, and infrastructure development. From towering skyscrapers to modern highways and residential complexes, the demand for construction services is soaring. Now, let's explore how you can tap into this lucrative market and make more money with your own construction business. Here's a blueprint for launching your construction business in Africa. Identify your niche. Begin by identifying your niche within the construction sector. Whether it's residential, commercial, or infrastructure projects, choose an area where you have expertise and can deliver exceptional value to your clients. Build your network. Networking is key to success in the construction industry. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and connect with other professionals in your field. Building strong relationships with suppliers, contractors, and clients can open doors to new opportunities and projects. Invest in training and certification. Stay ahead of the curve by investing in training and certification programs for yourself and your team. Certifications in areas like project management, safety, and green building practices can enhance your credibility and competitiveness in the market. The construction industry in Africa offers tremendous opportunities for entrepreneurs who are willing to innovate, adapt, and deliver high-quality solutions. By staying informed about market trends, leveraging technology, and fostering strong relationships with clients and partners, you can build a successful construction business that thrives in this dynamic market. Now, let's explore some practical strategies for making more money in the construction business. Efficient project management. Implement efficient project management systems and processes to optimize your resources, minimize costs, and maximize profits. Utilize project management software to track progress, manage budgets, and communicate with stakeholders effectively. Focus on quality and customer satisfaction. Quality craftsmanship and customer satisfaction are the cornerstones of a successful construction business. Strive to exceed client expectations by delivering projects on time, within budget, and to the highest quality standards. Satisfied clients are more likely to provide repeat business and referrals, driving your bottom line. Diversify your revenue streams. Explore opportunities to diversify your revenue streams beyond traditional construction services. Consider offering value-added services such as property development, renovation, or maintenance contracts to generate additional income and expand your market reach. And there you have it, folks. With the right equipment, materials, and marketing strategies, you're well on your way to starting a successful brickmaking business in Africa. Remember, every great structure starts with a solid foundation. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep building towards your dreams and keep investing in Africa.